Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete a group in WhatsApp step by step. To get started, first open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the account that is admin of the group you want to delete. Now scroll through your chats and tap on the group you want to delete. Next step, go to the top of the screen and tap on the group name to open group info. Now remove each participant from the group one by one. Tap to their name, then remove from group. Once you remove all members, scroll down and tap to the exit group. After exiting, you will see now the options delete the group. Tap on it, confirm it just like the group is deleted from WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.